Good afternoon. This is Alan Burgos. We will be discussing today the following ranges and cells in connection with Visual Basic for applications. So as you can see on the screen, we have the Microsoft Excel. This time around, we will go to Visual Basic for applications. This one, okay. I'll be making some codes: public, sub, testing, right? To have a module, okay, and then when I press enter, it will produce or it will return end sub. It means to say that is the end of this particular module, okay. And then, for example, I would like to select E2, for example, no, E2, for example. So how could I be able to do that? So I just need to type this command: range, okay, enclose with open and close parentheses, quotation, E2, okay, and then enclose with close parentheses, dot select. Okay, simple as that. So when I run that program or this particular code, what I would produce is, okay, it is E2 has been selected. Okay, so that is an example. Okay, how about let's go back to Microsoft Excel. For example, I have this group of students. For example, Romeo, Alan, Bobby, Sheila, okay, and Catherine, for example. All right, and then, okay, they have corresponding grades. No? For example, 56, 65, 95, and 100, for example. They have four quizzes, rather. And then this one, 75, 85, 95, 100, 1, okay, and Bobby, 65, 75, 85. These are only sample, huh? And then Sheila, 75, 85, 95, and 100. Okay, and Catherine, 85, 95, 100, and maybe 75. Okay, something like that. All right, and then I would like to make this as a range, no? As a range, or yeah, how would I do that, no? I would name this as my my students, for example, my students. Okay, all right. Now when I type here on the name box, okay, my students, okay, when I press enter, it will select that particular box. Okay, now let's go back to Visual Basic for applications. All right, and now I would like to select that one. Okay, let us comment this one. Okay, and range my students. Okay, enclose with what do you call that? Enclose with quotation mark. Okay, and then parentheses also. Yes, and then we want to we want to have a color of blue, for instance, for that particular selection or for that particular range. So how can I do that? So I will type interior that color. Okay, that color is equal to VB blue, for example. Okay, now I press enter. Let us run this particular code. Okay, and let's go back to Microsoft Excel. Look at this, no? Okay, that particular range or selection has been assigned to color blue also, no? Color blue as a color blue for that for that range. Okay, now, okay, so for example, I would like to another option also is, let us comment on that. uh, okay, box B15, for example, or B18. Okay, and then enclose with the box also. right? And then select, okay? And then let us run that one, okay? What happened? What happened? Where is that thing? There you are. It has been selected. B18 has been selected. Okay, now let us have more examples. Let us have more examples. For example, assigning a value, no range. All right. Let us um, this one. Let us B18, for example, B18 again. B18 enclosed with the quotation mark. B18 enclosed with quotation mark and in a close parenthesis. B18 that value equals, all right, welcome, or um, let us stay at home, for example, stay at home, station mark. All right, and then that's it, no? Let us try to test this one. Okay, so all right, B18, look at that. Okay, there is also there is now um okay, let us start at home. Let us stay at home has been designated on this particular area. Okay, now let us have more example. So let us comment on this. Okay, all right. Now, what if I want to select? No, I want to select um the range that I have designed yeah, earlier. So what do I need to do? For okay, using the box method. Okay, my students. All right, my students box. All right, that select. So it will be selected. Look at that. Okay. Okay, it has been selected, no, as you can see earlier. Okay, now let us run this again for you to see again. Okay, now it has been selected, right? You can know that this particular box has been selected because of this. Okay, in the name box, look at that. My students, we assigned that earlier, right? Okay, so let us have comment on this right now. Um, okay, what if we want to have sales one one or one four, for example? Okay, and then that select what will be uh, let us see what's the result of this. Sales 1 to 4. All right, look at this one, row 1 column 4. Okay, so the format, the syntax of this is row. The first one is row, the second one is column. That's why when we assign 1 and 4, it will go to B1 because the formula there, or the syntax there is row and then column. So if we say if we want to go to column 23, we would type there 23. Okay, or row 9, and it will go to row 9, column 23. Let us try to look if we are correct. Okay, look at that. Yeah, it's correct. Row 9, column 23. W is the 23rd letter, if I'm not mistaken. 23, 24, 25, 26. Yeah, we are correct. Okay, now more example, please. Thank you very much for this. Okay, now what if I would like to assign, okay, I would like to assign a color, no? A color um on row 9 and column 23. How could I do that? Using the sales method also. Okay, sales 9 dot 9 comma 23 dot dot interior, okay, interior dot color, all right, equals VB blue, for example. Okay, VB VB blue. Okay, yeah, there are. Okay. Oy, what happened? Uh, because we don't have the um close parentheses. Okay, so that's correct. All right. Now let's run this one. Okay. Without looking at the Microsoft Excel, we can know right away, no, that the purpose of this is for us to assign VB Blue on the uh, on the interior color of that particular cell. Let us try to look at that. No? Okay. Earlier, this cell or this row and column has been selected. No, has been selected. The intersection of W and 9, okay, has been selected. But this time around, it's not only selected, okay, but we already assigned a color, and the color is blue. Okay, now, so more example of this. All right, what if I would like to clear the cell, no? So how could I do that? Cell, all right, nice cell, all right. Okay, we can do this cell that clear, okay, and then let us try to look what happened. Oh, right. Okay, for a while. All right, cell. Wait. Okay, cell 9 dash no comma 23. All right, and then dot clear. Okay, let's try to look at this. What happened? Compile error. Okay. All right, sige. All right, 23. Okay. That, that. Sorry about that. Let's try this one. Interior. Sorry. Let's try interior dot clear. Yeah, there are. Let's try to look. There's error. Why? Okay, cell clear. Okay, let's try to look at this. Let's stop this first. Okay. Not defined. Okay. Yeah. Because we only type cell there, no? Yeah, something like that. It should be cells. Sorry. Okay, and then we run that one. Let's try to go there. Look at that. Okay, so the background color has been cleared of any color. Okay, now let's try uh, to comment on that. And next one is, what if I would like to assign values on my range? How could I do that? So this time around, I would type range, okay, and the name of that range. For example, students, my students, okay, enclose with close parentheses, that value that value is equal to Alan, for example, okay, and then press enter, right, and then I will try to stop that first to make it sure, and look at that, what happened. Wait, yeah, there you are, look at that, huh? So instead of having the grades, we had the name Alan here, no, it was assigned here on this particular box. Okay, now, okay, how about sales, right? Okay, about sales, um 2022, so 2020, row 20, row column, and I would like to have the value on that particular cell, okay, as color, value that green. Okay, is that correct? Right, they are. And then let us try to run. Object required. Why? Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. I know that already. 2020, because there is a space. Value that green. Okay. Oh, okay. value, I know, because we should have this one. Okay, yeah, there you are. Okay, and then let's try to look at it. And the value of that is, where's 20th row, 20th uh, row. Yeah, there you are. 20th row and 20th column, that's letter T, 20T. Okay? So meaning to say, ayan, I have the color green assigned to that particular value. Okay, now, um, yeah, that's it actually. No? Thank you very much for listening to my discussion. As you can see, we had uh, some mistakes, but okay, but we were able to troubleshoot it, and we were able to correct the mistakes. You know? That's why when you are making a program, or when you are developing a program, don't panic. Okay, you should know how to troubleshoot troubleshoot the mistakes that you have. Okay, again, this is um, okay, this is Alan Burgos, and thank you for listening. See you on my next lecture.